quick fee payment user manual. To make an online payment, first go to the SRMU portal, put in your user ID and password, then click on sign in. Once you have clicked on sign in, go to navigator, then click on classic home. Now, if you are on your cell phones, once you sign in, you will be directly able to see this current page. Then click on quick fee payment. Here on this page, if you have any outstanding charges, you would be able to view under the summary of charges by due date. Now, if you want to make any of those payment of those outstanding charges, click on either course fee, hostel fee, or bus fee. Then you go ahead and make those payments. Now, in this scenario, we are taking a option of advance payment. Now you click on the to course fee, hostel fee, or bus fee for which you want to make an advance payment. Once you have put in your amount, click on checkout. You would be redirected to your payment gateway interface. On this interface, you would able to see your HDFC credit card and debit card options and non-HDFC cards, net banking, and UPI options. For in this instance, we will make a payment using a QR UPI. Once we have scanned, we would go ahead and make the payment. Now, once the payment is successful, you would able to see this web receipt. On this web receipt, you would get the information of your name, your ID, your address, and the amount, and towards which component this fee has been paid. Then then click on go to self-service. You would be redirected to this page and click on payments. On this page, you would able to see all your system receipts. Now, please make note that once you have make an online payment, it will take 24 hours for your receipt to be reflected here. Now, to see your receipt, you just have to click on print button, and you will get this system receipt. Thank you.